But now we're staying on top of Tropical Depression 9. I know a lot of questions out there from our viewers. The big question, could we see impacts here on the Gulf Coast?
Yeah, we could see impacts, but not the ones that you're thinking of. It's actually, really the only noticeable thing you're going to see is the winds picking up just a little bit, and then a little bit of rain later on today, but it's still rainy season, so we get rain in the later hours most days this time of year. But what makes it different? Let's talk about the track first, kind of put it all into perspective for you guys so you know what's going on. This was updated about 8 o'clock this morning, so just over an hour ago. Still has that sharp right-hand turn taking back out over into open water. Bermuda, once again, should pay attention to it. That's the one place I would say this hurricane season that has seen the most action, if you can even call it that. They haven't had any direct hits, but they've been in a lot of cones this season, and we don't like anybody to really be in the cone, even though that's what we have set for Tropical Depression 9, the Bahamas. Likely to see Tropical Storm Imelda impacts as we move through the next few days. And so here's a better idea as to what's going to happen. I could show you the cone, but sometimes the Futurecast, and this is one of our models, does a better job showing you as what's a possibility to what could happen with future Imelda. So you see that white circulation, those white wind streams there, they represent the flow, and you'll see that circle in the center get tighter and tighter as we move through the next few hours. So here we go, it caught up to now. This is what it looks like by about 12:30. So there's a lot of rain associated with this system overall, but it's not super organized just yet. It's going to take a little bit of time. Something else to pay attention to since this is 12:30, check out those outer bands starting to move onshore for parts of Florida. We get to 7 o'clock tonight where we have some rain moving through parts of the Gulf Coast, and this time, instead of mostly inland activity, it will affect some of our coastal areas like Collier County, Lee County, Charlotte County along the coast. I will show you a zoomed in Futurecast here in just a minute, but overall that circulation, I want to make you understand that it's coming from the northeasterly direction as to why we could see that today. It continues to lift north, still bringing a little bit of rain to parts of Florida's east coast, but we're on the good side of this storm, relatively, of course. No side is really great, but it's not the right-hand side where you sometimes see tornadic activity and the worst impacts. So overall, this track is friendly to Florida for the most part. Yes, we'll still see some rough surf conditions on the east coast. We'll see a little bit breezier conditions for us here along the Gulf Coast, but that's about it when it comes to Imelda, thanks to the steering, and the steering is being greatly influenced by Hurricane Umberto. We've talked about it all week, that Fujiwara effect, starting to steer it away from the U.S. That combined with a few other factors coming in the upper levels here over the United States, but that's why we see that curve out here, and I just want to show you Umberto's influence, and that monster right there is helping to pull Imelda eventually through that Fujiwara effect and steering it away from the United States. Imelda, what will be Imelda, will kind of follow the same path roughly as to what this beast right here is looking to do, and I'll overlay them for you just so you get a better idea. Category 4 Umberto versus what will be Imelda. They both follow that track off to the east or even the northeast as we move through the next few days. Just a little bit of a delay behind what's going to be Imelda versus the track of currently Umberto. So back closer to home, let's talk about it. Your rain chances for today, they are on the lower end of the scale. However, compared to past chances that we had on Saturday and Friday, it's a little bit more in some places just because we have that boost from what will be Imelda, and this is what it looks like a little bit closer to home. Remember, I said that we have that coastal activity expected for parts of today because of the influence of that circulation. This is by midday, showing just maybe a little bit of coverage trying to scrape the eastern fringes of the Gulf Coast, but then as we push towards 3:30, a little bit later in the afternoon, we start to get a few more pockets to bubble up on the map, and then boom, there's that coastal activity by 5:30 tonight. So if you're hoping to maybe head out to the beach or go somewhere along the coast, be aware that you could see some of that rain a little bit later on. It's not just going to be that inland activity later for your Sunday, and it will hold on through the nighttime hours as well. This is by about 8 o'clock, so it won't just clear up as that sun sets. We do keep that rain around a little bit tonight because of the influence, once again, of that same tropical system. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We have improving temperature trends over the next few days, dropping back down closer to average as we head towards the start of October, which is on Wednesday. We also have a slight drying trend as we move through the middle part of the work week. That'll be after the rain that we see today, just for those rain chances to try to bump right back up as we head towards the end of the 7-day forecast. But overall, I'm not tracking any widespread rain in our future anytime soon.